Hello everyone and welcome to my channel on Hook Crochet with Jeannie, where we talk about wearable crochet style. And let's find out what's on the hook today. Today is July 5th, Friday giveaway winner day, and we'll be picking a winner for the King Cole yarn in just a couple minutes. But first of all, I want to tell you what I have on. In keeping with wearing your crochet that you make, and not leaving it in the closet to just wait till next season to wear. Always make things that you're actually going to wear. And I try to do that. I try to stay with that because that's the focus of my channel. To create things that are wearable, that look good on you, that you can wear out to dinner, out to lunch, around the house, to school, to teach, everything. You can wear your crochet because it is a beautiful craft. And because you know how to do it, it's really rewarding to wear what you actually make. So today I'm going out to lunch with some friends, and it's really hot today. It's probably going to be 90 degrees by the time I get where I'm going. So I put on a yellow sweater tank because I'm going to be in a restaurant, and then I put on my Artfully Simple angled scarf that I made from the sock wool that we received in the Knit Crate May 2019 box. And this is called Citrus Squeeze. And you can actually go out to Knit Crate and order it if you just love the colors. I originally didn't like the colors, but I made it up and it ended up being a very nice scarf, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, and my husband really likes it too. He loves for me to wear this out. So I'm putting this on, and I'm going to wear this to have lunch with some girlfriends today. And the actual wool is 75% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, and 15% nylon. It is very cool. It is not hot on my neck. It is a wonderful wool. And wool isn't always hot. You think that wool sounds warm and all that, and you can warm up with wool in the wintertime. But in the summertime, it's also such a natural fabric that it keeps you actually cool. Now, you don't get really hot unless the wool itself is heavy. If the wool is light, like this is a very light sock yarn, so it does not get hot. I testify to that. It does not get hot. So I just wanted to show you that because I had griped about it when I first got the box. And I was just really annoyed with the color and the type of yarn and the patterns that were in here. They were all sock patterns, and so I got on a little bit of a high horse. But I'm over that now, and I took the yarn and I made it into a beautiful scarf. And this is the Artfully Simple angled scarf, and it's on the Moogly blog. It's a free pattern. You can go out and get that. And I actually I caked this yarn. I always say I caked this yarn, and there were 462 yards of it. But this is what I had left. I had a lot, let me get that light on there. I had a lot of this left over. Look at that. That's sock yarn. So they're probably enough for 5 more scarves like this one, which I won't be doing. But I wanted to show that to you because it takes very little yarn to make this scarf. And it's a beautiful statement of color around your neck. So I just wanted to go over that and tell you what I have on, because everybody always asks me, so I'm just going to get ahead of it and say, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing crochet. So try to do that every day. If you can wear your crochet, that's awesome. Today is giveaway day, so I'm going to pick a winner through the random comment selector over here on my computer, and the winner will receive 5 balls of King Cole drifter yarn. This is a soft acrylic type yarn. It's 25% cotton, 6% wool, and 69% acrylic. It is very soft, and the colors are beautiful. There are a myriad of colors in here, and I read every comment from y'all that came in, and the things you were going to do with it were awesome. Of course, they always are. They always are. Most of you said that you would probably make a blanket out of it, and you're correct. There are 1,645 yards on all of this yarn. 1,645 yards of DK. So that is plenty to make a baby blanket, a lapghan, maybe even an afghan, I don't know. Some kind of granny square project. a couple of cardigans, a couple of ponchos. There are so many yards on this that it's going to be easy to find something to make with it. So I'm thrilled to give this away. I want to enjoy seeing whatever y'all make out of it. If somebody gets it and makes something, I would love for you to send me a picture of it. So I'm on my way to my computer, and we will take a look at the winner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are at my computer, and I have put the URL for the Monday giveaway video right here in this field. And I'm going to drop down here and hit the start button. Here we go. All right. And let's see what Brenda has to say. I found you by suggestion while watching another channel. I truly enjoy watching you. I have read the rules. Thank you for sharing. Well, Brenda, oh, I'm sorry about my finger in the way. Well, Brenda, thank you for entering the giveaway and congratulations on winning. If you will email me your address, I will be sending that to you on Monday morning. Send me your address and I will get that in the mail to you on Monday morning. I hope that everyone had a wonderful July the 4th. I had a video that came out yesterday. Be sure to watch that because there's something at the end you might want to look at and sign up for. So just wanted to tell you that. And I hope you'll have a wonderful week. I have a video that should be coming out tomorrow, maybe Monday, but no, it should be coming out tomorrow about an article that I finished. So stay tuned for that. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and join me next time to find out what's on the hook.